So tonight I made vegan, no egg boil. Had to take it back for the culture one time. Let's get into it. First of all, wash your hands, dog. Wash your hands. Got our chopped onions. Got our butter in the pan. We'll add them onions. Got our minced garlic. A brown sugar, of course. Black cayenne lemon, a paprika, onion powder, Creole seasoning. It's only right. Parsley, garlic powder. Look at them noodles boiling enough. Add our broth. We'll let that sit, marinate together. We're gonna add that to the noodles and potatoes. And voila, vegan, no egg boil. This was so good. Let's try this bad boy out. Had to do it one time for the coach. Oh, wait. Kale.